0 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna make the video.
0 degrees out today, and I'm doing this.
What's going on, guys? CLKIMAGES are back here again with another vlog. As you can see, I'm inside. I hardly ever start my vlogs inside my apartment. This is all I'm gonna show you because it's been a mess. It's Christmas season, got presents laying everywhere, wrapping paper. Yeah, it's just kind of a mess around here. So this is the only view you're gonna see from in here. But today, I am thinking of doing a little TikTok video, and I'm gonna get really creative with it. I'm gonna try to do a cool transition. Unfortunately, it's 1 degree outside, I think. That's the last I checked. Let's check my phone here, see the real temperature for you guys to show you how dedicated I am just to this one shot. Oh, so I'll cover up where I live. 0 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna make a video. So, and it's snowing. So my idea behind this shot is pretty simple. It's just gonna be really quick. But I plan on putting on my hat inside and having it just a smooth transition into me being just out in the middle of nowhere, which will be on a frozen lake. So if you go onto the lake, you can hardly see the shoreline. Up the exposure, you're not gonna see the shoreline at all. So it'll be kind of a cool Interstellar type vibe transition there. So let's hope it works out. It's all in my head. Let's just see if I can execute it like I want. The first shot is going to take place over here. This is just our entryway, probably the cleanest place in our house. I will try to get a full body shot. I will have my boots on, my jacket on, and I will simply just slide on the hat. In post, I will have it so it's zooming out, and then once I get to the next location, try to get those to smooth, buttery smooth together. That made no sense, but in my head it makes perfect sense. And with a broken tripod, I'm getting one for Christmas, so shooting vertical is not going to be the easiest thing, but it worked for me the other day when I had to set it up, so fingers crossed it doesn't fall in 2 feet of snow when I go out and try to record. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got the shot. I switched it up. I laid my jacket on there. I was gonna do a bunch of other stuff, but I didn't know if I could really pull it off. We'll see. But I put my jacket on there. I picked it up and I swooped it in front of the camera. When I go to the next location, swoop it again, put it on, and walk off into the distance like a baller.
Made it to the spot. No idea if this is overexposed. Kind of looks like it. Hold up. Go like that. That looks good. Yeah, this is frozen lake near my house. Currently 0 whole degrees. Trying to turn my camera on. 0 degrees out today, and I'm doing this. But luckily I don't have to go too far. I was gonna do all that vlogging stuff where you pull up and the car's doing this and that. It's too cold out for that. My hands are freezing, so I'm gonna get set up. Okay, filming sideways. Just kind of what I wanted. It's like right here. Or 10, like I was doing everything I was doing. Let's see, where's my living room? Okay, I was like this. Picked up my jacket. I don't know how far away from the camera I need to be. Maybe this far? Okay, picked up my jacket. Go like this. Okay, I'm done filming those. I filmed two of them. Can't even talk because a little chilly. I filmed 2. The first one looked good to me. I just filmed a second one just to be sure. So I'm gonna head home. Might film a few more little kind of B-roll things out here in the snow, and then head home and edit. And I assume I'll have it edited by the time this vlog comes out. So this is what I came up with. right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the edit. I hope it turned out good because I'm still out here. I haven't seen what it looked like yet, but hopefully it turned out good. I assume it will. If you like what you saw, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I would use my hands to kind of gesture everything, but again, it's 0 degrees. So follow me on those social media, subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want, and pray that I don't get hypothermia and my hands don't fall off. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.